This 2008 Gulf Stream SuperNova 6372 is a Class C RV. It is located in Indianapolis, Indiana 46203 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulf Stream is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, rear bedroom. This 2008 Gulf Stream SuperNova 6372 is built on an International 4200 series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.